Suspect spotted. A seagull stealing chips and escaping like nothing happened.
Too slow, detective.
Now!
Attack!
Hmm?
It's mine. My food! Go away. Thief! Shoo shoo! Theo? Hey, my chips!
Yes, film me. This is premium content. Distract her. Don't watch me, lady.
For a new record. So...
Listen, stay still. I'm taking the food and leaving.
I got you, thief.